A. Transform your bedroom into a festive haven this holiday season with our creative Christmas decor ideas. Start by choosing a cozy color palette of red, green, and white, or go for a more modern look with gold, silver, and pastel tones. Add a touch of warmth with soft fuzzy blankets, plaid throws, and decorative pillows featuring Christmas patterns like snowflakes, reindeer, or festive phrases. As a contemporary to metal, don't forget the magic of lighting. String warm white fairy lights around your headboard, windows, or shelving to create a soft twinkling glow. Consider adding a small, beautifully decorated Christmas tree to the corner of your room, complete with ornaments that match your chosen theme. Miniature wreaths or garlands can be hung above your bed or across the wall for an extra festive touch. For a personal touch, incorporate DIY decor such as handcrafted ornaments, framed holiday quotes, or photos with loved ones from previous Christmases. Swap out everyday items with festive replacements, like using Christmas-themed bedding or a holiday-themed rug by your bedside. Scent plays a big role in creating the holiday spirit, so place a few scented candles with fragrances like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla to make your room feel even cozier. You could also use essential oil diffusers with holiday blends to keep the atmosphere fresh and inviting. Lastly, accessorize with little details like snow globes, nutcrackers, or wrapped faux presents to tie the theme together. Whether you prefer a classic or modern Christmas vibe, these simple and stylish decor ideas will ensure your bedroom becomes a serene and festive retreat for the holidays.